Hi everyone, let us start our work with making of mean in Excel, standard deviation in Excel and standard error of the mean in the Excel. So mean is average in Excel, and we'll also know about standard deviation function in Excel. So to understand mean, if you have time, stop this video and read this. This is the formula of mean. We'll be making mean in Microsoft Excel by using the function of average. Since that you have studied about the mean and you know that how we get the mean in Excel, or we will also go and we'll make it in Microsoft Excel by using the average function. We'll be a little bit talking about standard deviation, because mean, mode, standard deviation, all these are the function that we will be using in this course for marketing statistics. So look at this formula. This is for standard deviation. You need to stop the video and read and understand this, because we are not going to the full procedure of the standard deviation, because the Microsoft Excel is do it automatically. So you don't have to go in these details. Just to remind, almost everyone has studied these things in the school, college. Let us go to the next. The next topic is standard error of the mean. The formula for a standard error of the mean, which we will use, would be this. To symbolize like this is the standard error equal to S upon standard deviation n. You can also have a look at this by taking some time by stopping this video. When you understand these three things, it would be easy for you to understand situation in Microsoft Excel, because we are going to use these formulas and function in Microsoft Excel by using some example from the business data and product data. Now look at this example. The situation is that suppose that you wanted to estimate the first year sale of a new product that your company was about to launch into the marketplace. You have decided to look at the first year sales of similar products that your company has launched to get an idea of what sales are typical for your new product launches. You decide to use the first year sale of a similar product over the past 8 years, and you have created the table below. This is the year column, and this is the first year sales of the different products. So let's move to the next step. This is the table in Microsoft Excel. Here is the 8 years, and here is the first year sale of 8 product and their first year of launching. Wider the column, select all the data and use the center. The data is center. Select this range, right click, name a range, and we are going to name this is product. Now this selected block of the cell is given a new name as product. Okay, so we have made this column, this table. We put this data, we put this data, and now if you are following me, be careful that you write in the E6 row n, in the E9 row mean, in the E12 row standard deviation, and in the E15 row standard deviation error. Now how are we going to get the n? By using the Excel function. We begin it with equal. We are going to count count. So we remember that we name this sale block with the name of product. So Excel remember this. So we will write here PRODUC. This is the product. Be careful that in the capital letter written product is the function of Microsoft Excel, and this one in little alphabet written is our made block name. I'm going to click this. You see this block is been selected because Excel recognize it, and you press enter. You see it is given 8. The number of item is 8. Now how to find the mean? Yeah, again begin with equal sign. You write average. You write this, and again you give product. You click this and you get this mean. For standard deviation equal to STD EV, look at this, and again you write product. So by giving name to this block of numbers product, it made it easy for us to write product instead of selecting it all the time. This is the standard deviation, and standard deviation error is the formula, and the formula is Control V. I brought the formula in copy paste. Look at this. So the standard deviation, when we are converting standard deviation in standard deviation error, this F12 is the reference to this cell, and square root eight is taken in this formula. So this is the formula for getting this standard error. So you'll have to remember this formula. So here we are. We have found the n of the standard deviation formula. We found the mean. We found the standard deviation, and we found the standard error in the Microsoft Excel sheet by using the function of Microsoft Excel. So if you want to reduce the decimal places to only 2 decimal places, you will have to click this a Microsoft Excel option to reduce the S. Look at this here, 1, and now they are all with 2 decimal places. The decimal place is the place to the right side of this point, 23.13. So now please save this sheet with the name product 6. With the name product 6, save this sheet. So to review what we have learned in this video and to review our lesson, we can find out that we made this simple data. We also found the n number of items by using this count formula. We made mean with this average function of Microsoft Excel. We made standard deviation also with this standard deviation function of Microsoft Excel, and we also got the value of standard error of standard deviation by using this formula. SQRT opening parenthesis 8 closing parenthesis. So I think that's it for this video, guys. I'm not going alone, you are also going with me, and we are proceeding in this course further, and to take more example from business and product data, and to analyze the product and the product data. And stay with me, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you think that this video will be in use to your friends, please share it with them. Thank you for guys. See you. Bye bye.